Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Reza Riyatma and together with my team members Gilang Rizky Ramadan, Sadewa Abizar Gifari and Rizky Naufal Fadlur Rahman. We will be presenting on the topic of data analysis, specifically focusing on the application of neural network classification to analyze bank marketing. Uh, In this presentation, we will cover the following point: objective, introduction to neural network, and methods, how neural network an analyze, result of the analysis, summary, conclusion from the material. Uh, okay, next. Now let's move on the introduction. A neural network is a computational model inspired by the way the human brain processes information. It consists of layers of nodes or neurons that are connected by links. This network learn by adjusting the weights of this connection based on the error between the precise output and actual output. Essentially, the model improves over time by minimizing the difference between its prediction and the actual.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nama saya Saudara Abizal Ghifari. Di sini saya akan menjelaskan bagian analytics. In this research, the classification neural network (CNN) algorithm has the ability to recognize important patterns in marketing program data, providing useful insight. CNN can be leveraged to identify customer segments that are more responsive to marketing programs based on the demographic factors, such as age, employment type, marital status, education level, and account balance. Recall for class 0 is 0.76, which means that the model only detects 76% of all class 0 data, while recall for class 1 is 0.94, indicating that the model good ability to detect class 1. F1 score for class 0 is 0.83, and for class 1 is 0.85, indicating that the model is quite balanced in combining precision and recall. This is the confusion matrix. Next is the result of these descriptive statistics include important metrics such as the number of valid data, count, mean, standard deviation, minimum, maximum, and quartile values like 25%, 50%, and 75% for each variable in the dataset. Each of these columns provides important information that can be examined in more detail. For example, the average age of user is 41, 23 years old with a range from 18 to 95 years old. Next is overall of the consistent performance of the model indicates the training process went well. Loss reduction and accuracy improvement are the main indicators of the quality of the model training. Although there is a slight difference between training and validation accuracy, this result reflects of reasonable level of overfitting. Next is the result of the visualization shown in the figure above is a confusion matrix that is used to evaluate the performance of the model in predicting whether a customer makes a deposit or no deposit. Based on the metric, it can be seen that the model managed to correctly predict 921 customers who fell into the no deposit category and 965 customers who made a deposit through positive.
Graph visualization result of both display the ROC curve, recurve operating characteristic curve, which is used to evaluate the model ability to distinguish between two categories, namely customer who make who make deposit and customer who do not make deposit. The point is that the ROC curve so the model's perform is distinguishing between two groups, with the model an LC value of 0.91 indicate the models has a 91% ability to correctly distinguish between customer who will make deposit and thus who will not. The dot diagonal lines represent the perform of the random models. Mm, Next, from the graphic visualization, a precision recall curve is generated which show how well the models recognize customer who make deposit positive class. Precision on the y-axis show the presence of correct deposit prediction, will reckon on the x-axis shows how many deposit case the model successful recognize initial when recall is low, precision is very high because the model only predict a few deposit deposit case and is very accurate. However, as the model tries to capture more deposit case recall. Uh, okay. Visualization result the graph below so the change in model accuracy on training data and AirPods training cycle. The blue lines show the training accuracy while the orange line show validation accuracy. And the beginning of the training accuracy increased sharply, followed by a steady increase in validation accuracy after several efforts. The two uh, the two accuracy lines that remain close together around 85% indicate that the model is not overfitting and has consistent perform on new data. Next, the graph above show the change in the loss value prediction error on the training data and validation data during the model training process measure over several efforts. The blue line show loss on the training data. This lines while the orange line show the loss on the validation data. In essence, at the beginning of training, the loss value decreased sharply, indicating that the model is starting to learn well. After that, after the 10 test efforts, the loss stables with the training loss lower than the validation loss start in to increase of stable.
Hello, my friend. Here I will explain the method. First, data collection. The data set used was taken from the Kaggle platform entitled Bank Marketing. This data set contains information about customer demographic, marketing, program type. Escating variable include employment, material status, education, account balance, and the other. Two, data process. Before being used for model training, the data goes to cleaning stage, include missing data, checking, and normalization. Missing or irrelevant data is removed or replaced, while numeric features are normalized so the module can process the data more efficiently. 3. Data sharing. Data is divided into two sets, namely training set, and testing data, test set. Minimization ensure the model is tested with data that has never been studied before, making model evaluation more objective. 4. Model training. The CNN model is trained using the TensorFlow framework with following setting: EPOS, Optimizer, Hyperparameter. 5. Model evaluation. After the model is training, evaluation is carried out using test data. Test set metric uses the assess model perform include ac- accurate accuracy, confusion matrix, precision recall, F1 store, ROC curve, and AUV. Thanks for terima kasih. Sekian dari saya. Penjelasan selanjutnya akan dijelaskan oleh rekan saya.
Okay, now for the summary, the performance evaluation of the model, which include metrics such as the confusion metric, F1 score, precision recall surf, and ROC surf, showed that the model performed well with an accuracy of around 84%. On the test dataset, however, there are some areas that style require improvement, particularly in the precision and recall of each class, with a focus on reducing false positive and false negative. The decrease in loss and the increase in accuracy during training suggests that model is learning effectively. Though there are indication of slight overfighting. Uh, Thank you for your attention during this presentation. I hope the insights shared on the model's performance evaluation evaluation have been clear and helpful. If you have any question or would like to discuss further, I am happy to answer. Thank you.